Are you in the market for a new DSLR camera but unsure which one will give you the best value for your money? With so many options out there, it can be difficult to pick the right one. In this video, I'll be reviewing 5 of the best DSLR cameras of this year to help you make an informed decision. We'll cover everything from features to durability, usability, and what makes each camera unique. Let's dive right in. Kicking off our list at number 1, Canon EOS 90D. The Canon EOS 90D is a powerful DSLR aimed at both enthusiasts and semi-professionals. It brings a perfect balance of image quality, performance, and user-friendly features. Equipped with a 32.5-megapixel APS-C sensor, this camera is designed to deliver crisp, detailed photos and fast, accurate autofocus. With 4K video recording, excellent burst shooting speed, and robust build quality, it's an ideal choice for users who want a versatile DSLR that can handle any type of photography. Key features: the Canon EOS 90D boasts a 32.5MP APS-C sensor, offering high-resolution image capture that brings out incredible detail. Its dual-pixel autofocus ensures fast and precise focusing, which is great for both photos and video. With 10 frames per second continuous shooting, it's perfect for action shots and wildlife photography. Additionally, the 90D supports 4K video recording without a crop, which is a significant upgrade for videographers. The 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen LCD makes composing shots from different angles a breeze. Benefits and usage: the Canon EOS 90D is perfect for photographers who want versatility in their gear. The combination of a high-resolution sensor, fast autofocus, and burst shooting speed means it can handle a variety of genres, including sports, wildlife, and portrait photography. The 4K video capability makes it an excellent option for content creators. Whether you're shooting stills or video, this camera provides an excellent balance of features to meet your needs. Its ease of use makes it a great option for anyone moving from beginner to intermediate level photography. Usability: the Canon EOS 90D has an intuitive control layout with a responsive touchscreen that makes adjusting settings quick and easy. The built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth allow for seamless connectivity, letting you transfer your photos to your mobile device for quick sharing. The camera's weather-sealed body ensures that it performs well even in challenging conditions. Whether you're shooting outdoors or indoors, the user-friendly design and customizable options ensure that you have full control over your shots. Durability: built to last, the Canon EOS 90D features a rugged, weather-sealed body that makes it resistant to dust, moisture, and light rain. The camera's solid build ensures it can handle rough outdoor shoots, while its long battery life ensures you can shoot for hours without interruption. This makes it a dependable choice for photographers and videographers who demand reliability on the go. If you're looking for a DSLR that offers both power and durability, the EOS 90D is a strong contender. In the second spot, we have Nikon D7500. The Nikon D7500 is a mid-range DSLR designed for enthusiasts and aspiring professionals. With a 20.9MP APS-C sensor and powerful 4K video capabilities, this camera strikes a great balance between performance, portability, and affordability. It brings professional-grade features in a compact body, making it an excellent choice for those looking to upgrade from entry-level models while still keeping things light and versatile. Key features: the Nikon D7500 features a 20.9MP sensor paired with Nikon's X5 image processor, providing fast image processing and superior image quality. The 4K UHD video recording allows for stunning video capture with smooth playback. Its 8 frames per second continuous shooting speed is ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects. The 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen provides great flexibility for composing shots from high and low angles. Additionally, the D7500 offers robust autofocus performance with 51 focus points. Benefits and usage: the Nikon D7500 is designed to deliver sharp, detailed images with minimal noise, even in low-light conditions. Its 4K video recording is a great feature for content creators, providing excellent video quality without any crop. The camera's fast burst rate and precise autofocus are perfect for sports, action shots, and wildlife photography. Whether you're shooting stills or video, the D7500 offers a wide range of customizable settings to help you achieve professional results. Its compact design makes it a great travel camera as well. Usability. The Nikon D7500 offers an ergonomic design with well-placed controls that make it easy to use. The touchscreen interface allows for quick and easy adjustments, while the viewfinder gives you a clear, real-time look at your shots. It also supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy photo transfer to your mobile devices. The camera's long battery life ensures you can keep shooting for extended periods without needing to recharge. With its user-friendly design and comprehensive features, the D7500 is an excellent choice for photographers who want to step up their game. Durability. The Nikon D7500 has a durable, weather-sealed body that can withstand challenging environments. It's built to handle outdoor conditions such as light rain and dusty environments, ensuring it performs reliably when you need it most. The camera's solid construction and long-lasting battery make it a dependable choice for outdoor shoots, travel, and long-duration photography sessions. If durability and portability are important to you, the D7500 delivers on both fronts. Coming in at number 3 is the Canon EOS Rebel T7i. The Canon EOS Rebel T7i is an excellent entry-level DSLR that offers a good blend of performance and ease of use. With a 24.2 MP sensor and Canon's dual-pixel autofocus system, it provides sharp, clear images and smooth autofocus for both photos and video. The Rebel T7i is ideal for beginners who want to explore DSLR photography without the steep learning curve of more advanced models. Key features. The Canon EOS Rebel T7i features a 24.2 MP APS-C CMOS sensor paired with the Digic 7 image processor, ensuring quick image processing and high-quality photos. Its dual-pixel autofocus offers fast, smooth autofocus for both live view and video. The 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen LCD is perfect for capturing creative angles. With a 6 frames per second continuous shooting speed, the T7i is capable of capturing quick moments. Additionally, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth allow for easy sharing of images. Benefits and usage. The Canon EOS Rebel T7i is perfect for beginners who want a user-friendly DSLR without sacrificing image quality. The camera's intuitive controls and touchscreen make it easy to learn and use. Its fast autofocus and decent burst rate make it versatile for various types of photography, including portraits, events, and casual sports. Whether you're shooting stills or video, the T7i produces clear, vibrant results, and the built-in wireless features allow for quick sharing and transfers. Usability. The Canon EOS Rebel T7i has a beginner-friendly design with a user-friendly interface. The touchscreen is highly responsive and makes it easy to adjust settings or navigate through the menu. The camera's built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth allow you to share your photos instantly. It also includes a helpful guided mode that walks new users through camera settings, making it a great option for those transitioning from smartphone photography to a DSLR. Durability. While the Canon EOS Rebel T7i is not as rugged as higher-end models, it still offers a solid and reliable build. The camera can handle everyday shooting tasks and is well-suited for beginner photographers looking for a sturdy yet lightweight option. The battery life is impressive for a camera in its class, allowing for plenty of shooting time during your photography sessions. If you're looking for a durable DSLR that's beginner-friendly, the Rebel T7i is an excellent choice. Taking our 4th spot is Nikon D5600. The Nikon D5600 is a compact DSLR that offers a balance of performance, features, and portability. It comes equipped with a 24.2 MP sensor and features Nikon's XP4 image processor, allowing for crisp, clear images with excellent color reproduction. The camera's compact design makes it a great option for photographers who want the benefits of a DSLR without carrying a bulky setup. Key features. The Nikon D5600 features a 24.2 MP APS-C CMOS sensor that delivers high-quality images with great detail and clarity. It also offers Nikon's SnapBridge technology for easy image sharing and remote control from your smartphone. The camera's 39-point autofocus system ensures fast and accurate focusing, while its 5 frames per second continuous shooting speed is ideal for everyday photography and casual action shots. The 3.2-inch vari-angle touchscreen allows for easy composition from unique angles. Benefits and usage. The Nikon D5600 is a versatile camera that excels in a variety of shooting scenarios. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or action shots, the D5600 offers sharp, detailed results. The camera's compact design and lightweight build make it easy to take on the go, making it a great choice for travel and street photography. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, transferring your images to your smartphone or tablet is effortless. Usability. The Nikon D5600 is equipped with a user-friendly interface that is easy to navigate for both beginners and intermediate photographers. The vari-angle touchscreen makes it easy to shoot from a wide range of angles, while the camera's wireless connectivity options make sharing photos a breeze. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended shooting sessions, and its compact size makes it easy to carry in a bag or backpack. Durability. Despite its smaller form factor, the Nikon D5600 is built to withstand everyday use. It has a solid construction, though not weather-sealed, which makes it a great option for casual photographers. The camera's battery life is solid for a DSLR of this size, ensuring that you can shoot for hours without worrying about running out of power. It's a reliable and durable option for everyday use, especially for those who need a lightweight and portable DSLR. And finally, at number 5, we have Nikon D3500. The Nikon D3500 is an entry-level DSLR that delivers high-quality performance without a steep price tag. With its 24.2MP sensor and easy-to-use interface, it's an excellent choice for beginners who want to get into DSLR photography without feeling overwhelmed. Despite its affordable price, the D3500 packs a punch with its excellent image quality and solid build. Key features. The Nikon D3500 features a 24.2MP APS-C CMOS sensor and the EXP4 image processor, which work together to produce sharp, vibrant images. The camera has a 5 frames per second continuous shooting speed and an 11-point autofocus system, offering good performance for entry-level users. The 3-inch LCD screen is fixed but provides clear image preview. It also boasts an impressive battery life of up to 1,550 shots, one of the longest in its class. Benefits and usage. The Nikon D3500 is perfect for those new to photography. It delivers great image quality in a simple, easy-to-use package. With its long battery life, the camera is ideal for day-long shoots or travel. The 24.2MP sensor ensures that your photos are sharp and detailed, and the intuitive controls make it easy for beginners to experiment with settings. Whether you're capturing portraits, landscapes, or family events, the D3500 delivers consistently excellent results. Usability. The Nikon D3500 is incredibly user-friendly, designed with beginners in mind. The guide mode feature helps new users navigate the camera's settings and get the most out of their gear. The camera's ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods, and the controls are easy to learn and use. Though it lacks some of the advanced features of higher-end models, it's more than sufficient for newcomers to DSLR photography. Durability. The Nikon D3500 is built to withstand regular use, offering a durable design with a solid plastic body. It's lightweight, making it easy to carry around, but it can handle the occasional bump or knock. While it isn't weather-sealed, it's durable enough for everyday shooting and travel. The long battery life is also a plus, making it a reliable companion for photographers who want a camera that can keep up with their creative pursuits. So there you have it, folks. 5 of the best DSLR cameras available in this year. Each of these cameras has its own unique features, and depending on your needs, you can find the perfect match for your photography or videography goals. From the Canon EOS 90D's professional-grade features to the Nikon D3500's beginner-friendly approach, there's something for everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. See you next time.